Okay, my name is Jeremy, and this is week 3 for a cross-platform class. My voice is just now coming back from a bad cold that I had, so I'm gonna try to keep this as short as possible. So let's go ahead and sign in, and we're also gonna test out here the network detection. So if we get this down, disconnect from Wi-Fi, it will go ahead and give you a warning, and it will tell you that it's going to retry in 30 seconds. And it will tell you to please check your intranets. And it will not let you log in or sign up. It'll just tell you there's no user exists. So if we go ahead and connect back to the Wi-Fi, we can go ahead and log in. And now that we're logged in, we're going to go ahead and see how the synchronization works. So we're going to go in here and we're going to look for one of these entries and remove it. So one with the zip code of 888. Okay, that'll be the first one right here. And we'll go ahead and remove that row. And we'll check to see our application here. It should update and the bottom one should disappear. There it is. And it does this every 10 seconds. So we're going to go ahead and add a new entry. And we're going to check for the data validation on this. So we're going to not put anything down for a name. And it'll tell you that there's a person error. To go please fill it out correctly. Now there's no limitations on the name. It just wants to make sure that you put something inside of it. So we're going to put something. And if we go ahead and try to save it again, it'll tell us now that there's a zip code error to please use a valid US zip code. So if we go in here and we type in 3 zeros, it will detect that it's not the proper one. So we'll go ahead and put the proper one but miss the last one. It'll also detect the same thing. We can put 0 and we can also put 4 digits at the end of it and it will also detect it correctly. Now that it's saved, within 10 seconds it's going to reload everything, which is another synchronization example. And now let's go ahead and check out how we can update the data. So here we have one ending zip code with a 5555. We'll click on it, go in here, and we'll remove all of this. So we keep it as a 7866, and we'll make this as an update. And let's also change the value here. So once we save it, we should see within 10 seconds that this is gonna change. There we go. And then right there's the updating data. So we've covered updating data, data validation, network detection, and synchronization for my application. And that concludes my video. Thank you very much, and I'll see you guys next week.